Hopefully no terrible storms like that today, but we are seeing a lot of rain this morning.
A lot of rain. We do have some thunderstorms out there, and I'm not going to say no to a stronger severe storm, but chances are minimal. The real story is going to be the rainfall that is going to make a busy morning for you.
It is.
Yeah, it ponds so quickly, especially on those shoulders and in any lower lying areas. You know if you live near one because it's probably a problem spot over and over again.
Yeah, well, the rain's going to add up about 2 to 4 inches between now and midnight tomorrow night. The question: will it still be raining come trick-or-treat time? That is what I've seen so much on Facebook and Twitter today, and we're going to answer that right now. Let's get started by taking a look outside, and this is what we are waking up to this morning. It's the rainfall that will be with us off and on. In fact, our weather kid today, Myleigh Coger, she's got the right idea. Umbrella, raincoat, 60 this morning, thunderstorms this afternoon at 68 degrees. Definitely want to be like Myleigh, and if you want your kid to be a weather kid, it's simply weatherkids at newschannel5.com. A lot of rainfall across the eastern tier of the U.S. right now. It's going to take a while to get all of this to move through. We've got snow on the backside of this. That will not be a concern for us. Not expecting to see snowfall like places in the Midwest, Kansas City experiencing snowfall overnight and into this morning. We're just dealing with the steady rain and the occasional lightning strike too. 50s out there despite the rain. 68 in McMinnville, holding at 64 in Crossville. A few more strikes now. Southern parts of Sumner County, as you can see, just north of Old Hickory there. Unfortunately, we'll continue off and on with some of these thunderstorms. The Charlotte Park area and West Nashville and Bordeaux seeing steady rainfall. Starting to see a little bit of a break in the Franklin area and parts of Brentwood. Not everybody's seeing it, but about 20 minutes ago, this was completely covered in green and yellow. And now we've got a little bit of a break overhead, which is certainly a welcome sight for the morning commute. Unfortunately, more rain will move in shortly. Here's Exact Track. Temperatures today mild. Frontal boundary stalled out today. It's going to sweep through tonight. As it does, the wind flow becomes northwesterly. Tomorrow morning, around 50 to start. We're not climbing. We're dropping with temperatures. But despite the colder air moving in, it looks to be just cloudy, maybe a little mist in some spots, but no heavy rain come trick-or-treat time. A flake or two wouldn't surprise me in the Cumberland Plateau tomorrow night as it wrings all that moisture out, but the real story is going to be the cold air that moves in for the next couple of days. Looking at the next 7 days, temperatures 60s today, falling temperatures for Halloween, drying out for Friday and into the weekend as we get ready to fall back. That's right, set the clocks back 1 hour as daylight saving time comes to an end. Great idea to check the smoke detectors. And not calling 911, but if you can just call your neighborhood fire department or stop by there, they'll come out and change the batteries for you for free. Better to be safe than sorry when it comes to those smoke detectors. Hey, let's find out what the rain's doing on the roadways. Rebecca's got the latest now in the traffic center.